Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I have my Boxy Premium. I've had it for a few days, so I'm probably one of the last to unbox it. But that doesn't beat the fact that I just got my FabFitFun box, and I know I'm probably one of the last to unbox that. So I will probably have that box up in the next day or two. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you did. If you like this channel and its content, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, the bell button, so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, as always, I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I've got some great new boxes. I know I'm the person to come to if you're looking for a new box. So let's get into this Boxycharm. You know, Boxycharm has their base box, it's $25. Their premium box, which is $35, and their luxe box, which comes quarterly, which is $50. If you get the luxe box, then you don't get the base box that month. I've been really happy with the base box and the premium box, although the luxe box this month was really good. And I have been using that Tarte eyeshadow palette, and I really love that the way the eyeshadows go on. So let's get into our Boxy Premium. So you open it up, and that's how I know I get the Boxy Premium. Because the boxes, they're just getting bigger and bigger. So I never know which box I'm getting. So I'm so excited because I have a card in the box. Haven't been getting the card, so you have to go in after and see how much everything is. So not that I can read this little tiny card, but I'll attempt. So I have been cheating since I always get my boxes like the end of the month and everybody's already posted their videos. I pretty much know what's in here. So the first thing is the Pharmacy, the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask Glow Recipe, and I think it's Pharmacy. Did I just make that up? Let me see. Maybe it's not Pharmacy. It is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, and oh, I guess it's not Pharmacy. I just totally made that up. But I've seen everybody take it out of their packaging. It is sealed, and I'm box challenged, so the box will probably be destroyed. I do use quite a few sleeping masks. They're very easy. They go on light. You don't even know you have them on, so in the morning when you wake up, you have no idea you have a sleeping mask on. And that is the bottle. It's just so cute. So, very excited to get that one. And we just got a sleeping mask in one of our other boxes. And I'm not sure what box it was, but that's the one that I've been using. And this mask, the non-pharmacy mask, is $49. So that's a nice value. The next thing is Living Proof Restore Repair Leave-In Conditioner. And when they had their add-on sale, I bought the Living Proof conditioner and shampoo and 2 of their other items. So this is not one I don't think I bought. So I'm pretty excited to get their leave-in. I just love Living Proof. So I was excited to get that. And the Repair Leave-In retails for $30, so I was really happy to get that. And again, this box was only $35. Then we we have this little milk thing. I don't think we get these. I hear they're great, but I don't think I ever used a milk product. And this is, I'm not gonna open it. I'll probably put it in a giveaway. I'm hoping to get to, I just finished a giveaway, and I'm hoping to get to 4,500 subscribers, and I'm doing a big giveaway for that if I reach it. So I'm putting everything in a box. And the Milk Makeup Glow Oil, this is a lip or cheek, and it retails for $15. It's nice packaging, but I know I won't use it, so I'm not gonna open it. And this little baby I've seen opened, and I do plan on using it. It's a contour palette by Too Faced, and I do want to try to not break the box. And I saw, and it comes with, what I liked about it, it comes with directions and kind of how to contour your face. But I was impressed with this, and then the clasp. The clasp was really nice on this. And if I don't drop it, stick my nails in there. But look at these beautiful colors. I'm thinking we all got the same, and I've seen people swatch this, and some of it is too dark, some of it is too light. So it's not, you know, not all the shades can be used for everybody, but I am looking forward to trying to contour and play with this palette. And of course, it smells like food. It's got that cocoa. And this little girl retails for $44. So this is the price of the box. And my living proof I'm really happy with, that avocado mask. So Boxycharm is doing really good. I've always been happy with their premium box. If I could just keep the premium box, I would really be happy. We'll add that to my little collection. And, oops, I think this brush might go to help contour the palette. The $1 Billion Brows, oh, maybe not, $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush, the simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. Maybe it will. Contour side densely packed angled brush applies to target areas. Buffs and blends for a sculptured look. And this retails for $30. So I guess, because the way it's angled, oh, it's so soft. You can kind of contour. So it's nice that they sent along the brush to go with my good smelling palette. And then this, I am not gonna take them out, but I saw a couple people take them out. It's a face mask, and it's huge. They're a gold face mask. It's like an energy drink for your face. And I mean, it will literally take up your whole face. And depending on the size of your face, it could, you know, wrap around. So you definitely want to have your hair pulled back. And I think there's like 5 of them in here. And I have a video coming up. I got a face cleanser to review. It's like an electric face cleanser with brushes on it. So I am going to do a review on that, where I have to review or have to take off all my makeup and use it. Then after that, I'm gonna put on one of these monster masks. So I'm gonna give it a try. So I am looking forward to trying these masks. And let's see. hot mess. Oh, it's right on top. Let's see how much these little puppies go for. Da, 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 da. The Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Face Masks. It is a 6-pack. It's a 6-pack. As we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes. So we're gonna need this back. And it retails for $25, so it's really not a bad price for 6 masks. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying them. So I know most of you have unboxed your premium box, but let me know if you received this box, what you thought of your box. I'm thinking we pretty much all got the same. The leave-in conditioner, I think some people might have gotten an eyeliner, but let me know what you thought of your box. Let me know if you got these, and if you did, if you tried them, because I am looking forward to trying them. And I got 57 was my box, but I'm definitely gonna try those. The only thing that didn't really wow me was this little melt thing, and I think we get them in like all our boxes lately. And I am going to try my little avocado that I make up where it's from. Sorry about that. And I'm loving that they put a living proof in here. And oh, you can't even reach. And the Too Faced good smelling contour powder with the brush, I think is awesome. So please leave me comments again. If you got this box, what you thought of your box. If you don't get Boxycharm, let me know what you thought of my box. I do have a coupon code if you want to try Boxycharm. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.